Alright, so we're going to try and open up this USB remote thing. Problem is, there's not really a way to get into here. I don't think there's any screws. Let me see, maybe I gotta peel this thing off. Okay, so I'm going to try and peel off all this adhesive first and see if there's anything hidden underneath. If there's not, we're just going to have to try and like cut this thing open. Oh man, this adhesive is kind of tough. I think they put this, I don't think it came with this adhesive, but okay. There's no easy way to get this adhesive off. I just gotta keep scraping it. Yeah, I don't think there's any screws under here, so we're gonna have to try and just pry this thing open. Okay. We'll see what we can do. Get off all this residue. Okay, so first thing I'm going to try is this, my thin metal pry tool, and we'll see if we can somehow get in there. Sometimes there's like a gap. Most likely it has a gap going down this way, and it seems like it's working, so oops, I feel it somewhat cracking the adhesive, or maybe if it's melted in place, melted together. Okay, we're gonna try the other side now. Man, this thing is tough. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this. It doesn't want to pop open. Come on. Does this one go the other way? I don't think so. Nope. Definitely goes that way. Okay, so this side popped open, and we're gonna try and slide the tool over. And this isn't a knife, so you want to be careful because knives are brittle. The metal's usually not so flexible like this, and also this isn't that sharp, so you can see I jabbed my finger and it's okay. So you want to be very careful. Depending what you're using, you can get really badly hurt. Okay, so we got that. Let's see if we can somehow pry it. No, the plastic is just breaking here. Jeez. Whatever they used to seal it, it just so strong that when I pulled it, you can see it kind of made a crack there. So I don't know if we'll be able to open this. I'm going to try a big flathead screwdriver and just try twisting it in the gap. Sometimes that will work. Where did I pry from here? Okay. So we can kind of twist this and it opens a gap here, but not quite. Okay, I think the plastic is all just going to end up breaking because of the way they designed this. They didn't design this to be opened up. Hopefully it will be repairable at least. Man, this thing really doesn't want to open up. Yeah, I don't know what to tell them because the whole case is going to end up destroyed by the time I get into here. Let's see. God. Yeah, there's no way. They just melted it in. Like, I don't think I can, there's no way I can get in there. See, I pried this and then the top piece broke off. So I don't know. I mean, I can just pry it completely out, maybe. Try and get this guy in there. Okay, let me let the customer know because it might end up completely dead. I'll be back. Alright, so the customer decided it was too risky and they wanted to kind of just leave it as is because they said the left, right, and the other button works. So I think the up button. But anyways, yeah, because if you really wanted to open it, you'd have to kind of destroy this whole case or Dremel around all this glued out part. So yeah, we decided to just leave it as is. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.